Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ivan Dunde. In this video I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows like a pro if you do not know how to do your brows, and you can leave the house with just your brows done and maybe a lippy. Hi guys, first thing first, we are going to clean our face using baby wipes. I'm using my baby wipes to clean my face. As you can see, not so much dirt. The next thing is wait for it to dry up a bit. So in this video I'm using Kentist coconut oil. It's good for your lips, makes them very soft. Second thing we will do is apply our moisturizer. I'm using the acne.org. What you do to your face, make sure you do it to your neck. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to do your eyebrows effortlessly. So the next thing that we are going to need is powder. So you will need powder. I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Matte Pressed Powder in medium beige, and with that I'll just take my sponge . You want your brows to stay all day without getting transferred, and you're going to shape them in the direction, in their natural direction. Something else that you're going to need is an eye pencil. I'll be using the normal Davis eye pencil in number 3. In number 3. Fill them in. Don't worry about the shape. We are going to clean that in just a bit. Now you do not want to bring it all the way to the outer side. You just fill the outer part. Now that we have that, so you take your spoolie. The spoolie is the one that looks like a brush at the end, and then you're going to bring it outside, though there are those who just do it going to the inside. You can do it either way you want, so that you do not have a harsh line here at the end of at the beginning of the brow. And then you're going to comb upwards and then finish it off. Comb upwards and then finish it off. Now that our brow is looking like that, what we're going to do is take an angled brush. It looks like this. It's angled. And we're going to take our concealer and Eyebrow in fawn. We are going to place it at the back of the hand, and we are going to clean the brow. Before we clean, we just want to make it look as natural as possible. You can always go back to the brow and redo. This process isn't really a must. It's for whomever has time. Then we are going to clean our brow. You will do the same with the other eye. For the top area with what's remaining in your brush. You don't need so much of it. As they are sisters, kind of like twins, not the fraternal twins, but identical twins. If not, fraternal can do, not so fraternal by the way. And then you need another brush to clean out the concealer, because you cannot go anywhere looking like this. Now we are going to take a brush. You can use whatever brush you have, though not so big. You need such a size of a brush, or you can use such. What I'm going to use, we are going to open up a new brush set that I bought from Amazon. We have all this. They are 12 pieces, so I'm gonna use this brush. It was a nice set that I got for like 600. So we are going to clean out. some more round one to just blend everywhere so that you have almost the same skin tone everywhere, from your eyes to the rest of your face. Hands also work, so you do the same with the other eye. If you're doing your eyeshadow, you can also use the concealer. If there's anywhere you're not satisfied with, you can always go back and redo. And obviously you will not leave the house looking like this, so you take one of your brushes and just blend. After doing your brows, if you want to proceed to the rest of your face, you can go ahead and do it, but for this video I only wanted to show you how to do your eyebrows and leave the house just like that with no other makeup on. Also, you will not need to get all of these brushes, but I've shown you the 2 or the 3 main ones that you will need for this tutorial. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and I'll catch you later on my other YouTube videos that I will be doing with you. So thank you guys. Bye.